All right, I told you to come and visit, and I'm going to tell you why right now. 2 or 3 reasons that'll change this channel. You see, I'm not happy with it. You shouldn't be either. So one of the reasons is we've got away from what we originally wanted to do. This is the Odd Rod Garage, and I want to do wild, crazy things. And yeah, we're building some cool stuff, don't get me wrong. I gotta push it further, and I think you guys deserve to have that. One of the reasons that we come into this problem that we have right now is a lack of balance. You see, my life isn't balanced right now, and that's not your fault, that's my fault. But the bottom line is, with this being the last season for my son playing basketball, with the accidents that my other boys been in, with my other son that I have going to college also, and the time we need to spend with him, with my normal, regular paying job, Tommy and myself trying to work on these cars, me trying to do 2 videos a week, my life's just out of balance, and I gotta cure that. Sometimes I take on more than I can accomplish. And you know, it makes life a little difficult. And it's stressful for my wife and my family. And here's the bottom line. When I first started doing this channel, you know, it was just for fun. It was gonna be an enjoyable thing to do. We're building the cars anyway, why not do it? And that's right. And I first started off doing 3 videos a week. And man, was it a lot of work, especially because I was learning how to use the editing software. I was learning to try and figure out, you know, what's going on, trying to figure out how to present what we're doing. And it's been a long, hard road. But we become monetized. We have a few people following us on a regular basis, and we really enjoy what we're doing. But here's the bottom line. It takes so much of my time. So I gotta change it so that I can make these videos better. You see, when I was doing 3 videos a week, man, it was all I could do to keep on top of it. And we're just trying to film whatever we can, and we cut it back to 2 videos a week, and that helped a lot. But I'm still having to dig up footage that it's really not what I want to be presenting. And so I'm going to change the number of videos I do. We're only going to do 1 a week, but that video is going to be better. It'll be better all the way around. It'll have better content, it'll have better editing, it'll just be better. And you know, I really appreciate you guys coming out and watching what we do. But I want to give you something that you want to watch, that you're anxious to see. So I'm going to cut the videos back to 1 video a week so that I can give you a good quality product. So the video you watched yesterday was just a short little video and then some messages to hang in there. And you know, here's why it is. I got to the end of the night, I was trying to put a video together, and the hodgepodge of things I was trying to put together just didn't represent the Odd Rod Garage. And I looked at it and thought, I wouldn't want to watch that. So I don't want to do that to you. I don't ever want to do that to you. I want you to be excited to see what is Pete and Tommy working on today. And you've seen on this video right here that I've positioned myself in front of 2 or 3 different projects that we're doing, and we're actively working on them. Some slower, some faster. But man, we got a lot to do, and we got a lot to say. And man, do I want to give you guys good quality products. I want to give you good quality content. I want to do a better job for you guys and for me, because we work on a lot of things, but you don't have to see everything. Right now I'm filming in my backyard, like you guys know, and I got traffic going up and down the road. And you know what? That's all right, because hopefully you guys are going to be able to see some really good quality videos coming up on cars making progress that we all want to watch. Not just me working on my son's Mazda 3 because he was in an accident, or we picked it up because he was in an accident and we have to put a car back together. You know, I mean, it is part of our daily activities, but we're not so exciting you guys would want to watch everything we do in our daily activities. Trust me, we're not anybody important, but we build some cool stuff, and that's what I want to share with you guys. So here's the plan. Here's what we're going to do. I'm cutting it back to 1 video a week. It's going to be Sunday mornings. That's the video that gets the most views for me anyway. That's when most people have a little bit of time to spend 15 or 20 minutes to see some of the stuff we're doing. So we're going to do Sunday morning videos, and that's what's going to be coming up this next week. And we're going to be doing better content. I got to get that balance back, you know. I need to spend the time on the videos, and we need to spend the time on the right car so you guys can see what's going on. So we're not really changing a whole bunch, but the big announcement is we're cutting back the number of videos we do so that we can do a longer video, a better quality video with better content. And to me, that's more important than how many times you show up. Now, I'm sure that'll hurt the views, and I'm sorry for that. And as things go on and things get better, maybe we can get back to the time where I can do 2 videos a week. Because I do enjoy doing it, but I don't want to just put out junk. I want to put out something that's really, really good. And I think we have something to share. We're just a couple of dorks in the backyard working on some cars, and we built some pretty cool stuff. We have some really cool stuff coming up for you guys. But you know what? We are excited to give a better video, better builds, better cars. We're excited to do that. And I think this will give us the opportunity to do that. Really excited for this time where we're going to regroup. We need to get some cleaning up done around here. We need to get some organization done. We need to get it set up to where we can give you a better quality video. You know, you look at some of my videos and the lighting is horrible. And this video is probably the same. But we got to get some things taken care of so that we can get better shots in the videos that we do. Maybe a little bit better close-ups, maybe a little bit better quality in general. Anyway, we're excited. I hope you guys are excited. You know, remember to subscribe to the channel, share the link, tell people about what we're doing. Tell them about the good stuff that we've done and the good stuff we have coming up. Hey, we really appreciate you guys coming by and watching today. This Sunday's video is going to be good. It's going to be on the 55 Gasser and the 67 C10. 2 vehicles that we think are actually worthy of videoing. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the other vehicles we've done are not worthy of it. They are, but we want to be the variety show of a certain type of variety. We want to make it the Odd Rod Garage where you find something just a little bit different. Maybe a 55 Gasser, maybe a BMW Isetta that we change up, maybe an Amphicar. Go back and look at some of my Wild Car Wednesday videos and you guys will see the stuff I'm talking about. And that's what we're going to give you. We're going to give you something a little more out there, a little more extreme, something that's enjoyable. We do have a C10 build coming up for my friend Trey, and I'll tell you what, it's going big. 24s, air ride, lay frame, 6-liter LS. It's going to be incredible. This little girl sitting behind me, same thing. Nasty little 6-liter street racer. 78 Trans Am. Little street racer, 4-wheel disc. It's going to be wicked. That's what we want to build. We want to build something interesting, something cool. Yes, the 2002 Camaro is included in there also. LT1, 6-speed manual, something interesting. But come back, visit us again. We're going to do a better job for you. I want to make it good. Anyway, I appreciate you guys coming and watching. Come and check out Sunday's video. I think you're going to enjoy it. And as always, thanks for watching.